Hey there, everybody. I'm just hopping on for a minute. I got the sweetest happy mailbox. Oh my gosh, it's just stuff. I wanted to thank Laurie B. Laurie, I did not see your return address on this box. So if you're out there, please message me so I can send you a proper Southern girl thank you note. I am so excited. So I thought we would just go through this together because, it's after the holidays and there ain't nothing like a beautiful gift of Happy Mail. So let's start. We've got index cards. You guys know how much I love index cards. Now, these are the bigger index cards. These are 4x6. So I love a 4x6 format because to me, this is something that you can create upon and then put into a pocket, or actually, 4x6, you could just frame this out. And I love index cards. So index cards, we also have some fancy paint. This is Liquitex Heavy Body Acrylic in a blue. This is Creative Inspiration Acrylic Color in a lamp black. You guys aren't going to believe this, but I have no yellow paint at all. I am so happy to see this Liquitex acrylic color. These are things that typically, this is why it's such an awesome gift. These are just things that I don't purchase for myself because, we're all budgety here and a lot of times I can't do that. Tacky glue, America's favorite craft glue. This could say Tammy's favorite craft glue. And you guys know how much I dig the tacky glue. Thank you, Laurie. Oh my goodness, what's next? Speedball acrylic artist colors. Look at that. Cadmium red. We have some Naphthol crimson. Cadmium red medium. Oh my gosh, now I'm just getting that real urge to paint. I love these. Oh man, binder clips are like indispensable if you're crafty, right? You always need them to hold a page open, to hold a page back. Oh my gosh, the stamps, just because. Oh my goodness. This one says, believe in yourself. So not just a happy mail with no thought. It's a happy mail with inspiration. Dare to bloom. Oh, goodness me. Dream. Love that. What does this one say? Just wanted to brighten your day. Lori B., you did brighten my day. Good gracious, lady. Oh my gosh, sequins. Sequins are so much fun to play with. And bling, I am running short on bling. It's just like she knew exactly what I was running short on. These are assorted acrylic jewels. Aren't those pretty? And some stick-on rhinestones here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Rhinestone stickers. And more. I'm not sure what those are. I'm not sure. Pretty. Crystal stickers. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? We're getting a lot of glare. There we go. Let's fix that a little bit. Oh my gosh, look at the daisies. Aren't they adorable? Man, I can totally see those on the front of the journals that I've been making, that I'm adding enhancements to. Look at that washi tape. Now that washi tape is just fun to look at. It will be an absolute delight to work with. Oh, how fun. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to put that over to the side because that will go directly in the wash. Oh, man, look at that. Scrapbooking kids. Peel and stick gemstones. Man, I love those. I love the circular nature of them. They would make super cool eyeballs, right? And a little bit of foil right here. Oh, what's this? Derwent Color Collection. Holy cow! I just got cold chills. Oh my goodness, look at that. You've got some oil sticks, some beautiful pencils. Goodness me. Mixed coloring materials. Oh golly. Wow. Wow. It's awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. 5 twin tip permanent markers. Those look like fun to play with. And they're twin tip, which, you know, double the pleasure, double the fun. Oh my goodness. Love these pencils. Do you know what I love about these pencils is they have their, you know, they're kind of, what would you call that? No, I guess beveled. They have straight edges on them, which I really, really love. Yay! Some smudging tools. I love these smudging sticks, you guys. They're so much fun to play with when you're doing charcoal work. And this is, oh, maybe this goes with that. I don't know. Marie's, I'm not sure what that is, but we'll figure it out. I think it probably does go with the smudging stuff. Paper! Yay! I was just talking yesterday that I'm just running so low on paper. Look at those luscious colors. That just kind of says spring, doesn't it? This is a Prismacolor kneaded rubber, so that's awesome. I think we're going to have some sweet napkins in here. Goodness me. Oh gosh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Wow. Oh, love it. Oh my goodness, what beauty, beauty, beauty. Look at these windmills and tulips. Oh gosh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, very inspiring. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And some of these are vintage. You can just tell by the pattern, by the working, you know, on the napkin. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, y'all. Oh, y'all. Look. Can't you just see this on the front of some of my journals that I'm making now? Oh my goodness, I'm crazy inspired. Crazy inspired, Lori B. Thank you. Oh my goodness, cardstock paper. Oh my goodness, it's a lot. Oh gosh. This is 65-pound paper. Oh, and I've got some colors here. Good gracious. I might burst into tears any moment now. Goodness me. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Lori B. Look at those colors. That's beautiful. I don't even know what to say. This is so awesome. And even more at the bottom of the box. Oh my goodness. Lori, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you 100 times. Thank you. Goodness sakes alive. That's just, that's more than I deserve. Thank you so much. Please, you know, send me your address so I can properly thank you for all of this absolute fun, delightful, excellent, much needed. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the art supplies. Oh my gosh, I'm very inspired now. Sometimes you just need a box of happy or an envelope of happy. That's why happy mail is so important, y'all, because you never know when somebody might be kind of having a little bit of struggle in their day or, you know, life in general or whatever, and you send something and you boost their mood, but you also boost their creativity. Lori B, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Sending lots of love to you all and wishing that you all have some happy, happy mail. See you later, y'all. Bye.